Hello dear students, welcome back. My name is Sunil Tiwari. I'm going to teach to you today's your most relevant topic. What is that? You can guess about that. What can be? Yes, of course, you are the saying correct. Today is my class on the behalf of your determinants. Basically, I have taught so many contents related of your English grammar. But which contents I'm going to discuss right now, it is most relevant for upcoming exam 2025 and 26 class 9th and 10th students. Second things I'm going to talk to you about that if you want to aware the definition of the determiner. So determiner are those words they are used just before now. So we can call this is a determiner. If you are aware the definition of the determiner, so let me I say to more information about it. Kinds of determiners under we have seen four. Number one we can call article based use of definite and indefinite, and the article. Second things we can see about here the demonstrative adjective is a part of your determinants. Possessive case is a part of your determinants, and indefinite pronoun and the quantifiers are the part of your determinants. If I will give you in a sense of that what are those words, we have to count them the part of determinants, so like that a and the, my, your, our, this, that, these, those, what, whom, and some more interrogative. Along with that, some, many, a few, the few, little, a little, and the little, a great deal of, a number of, so many. The compound words are also here, which we can count them in the part of the determinants. So dear students of the class 10 and class 9 students, the session of 2025-26, I hope you got the syllabus in there. These are the pattern through we have to discuss about them. If you're looking here, a short and brief sketch. I know that I'm not having the digital board, but whatever I have, through that I'm started to teach to you. I hope my contents will helpful for you. Before the completion of this class, I request to you, please subscribe and like. Let's come to the point. Point number one under, you are looking here the article. Definite and indefinite under different article, the indifferent article a and. I will give you the example in the sense of the university. University. I cannot say an university, I will say a university. Let me say why. Because Hindi pronunciation of the U we can call there is a E. The book, why? For there is the book is a specific name. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, Quran, the Bible, and another the books of the writers and epics we can call this is the article the university, the Allahabad University, the Banaras Hindu University, and many more. Akar means this can call this is the non-specific. Non-specific. This is just like the common thing. A normal talk about akar, we can call this is the non-specific in the sense for we can article a. An apple, the first letter is a vowel, so I am written here and also this is a non-specific. Only specific for I can write article the. Okay, article the. Next one you are looking here possessive determinants. Possessive determinants are also relevant. You are looking here just like that phone, house, car. These all or we can call noun. These are all called a noun. Along with them, I'm written here my, your, his. My phone, your house, his car. What are these? Along with them, we can call these are the determinants. Next one, I will call you what do you mean about the quantifier, yeah, infinitive pronoun under. So let me I say people, option, and what along with that. I will write here many, few, and some. In sense of the many, which are the countable things we can call use of many. Countable things for use of many. Few for we can say which are in the few quantity we can call I have a few option. Few awesome is hardly one, yeah, two. Second thing, some water. Even some water also we can use for the quantity of the things. I have some glass of water. I have some glass of the milk. In the sense of the some, this is a very small in quantity, okay. But in the sense of interrogative and negative, I will suggest to you, you have to prefer the use of any and any only. In sense of the negative, let me ask, I don't have any pen, okay. So any is the correct here. Do you have any marker? Yes, I will say I have only one marker. In the sense of negative, in the sense of interrogative, you have to use only any word, not a some, okay. But in the sense of affirmative, you have to use only some, affirmative sense, okay. Up next one, there is a demonstrative interrogative. Demonstrative interrogative. अब look at here. This book, this car, and those shoes. So in a sense of this, in a sense of this, in a sense of those, so we can call there is a demonstrative determiner. Demonstrative, yes. Demonstrative, yes. Determiner. Very simple. Demonstrative determiner. Next one which I'm going to talk to you about, this is the called interrogative determiners, under which and what you have to use just before a noun. This is called noun, or this is called introvert. Introvert. Intro. We can say why? Because this is the interrogative. This is the interrogative. So interrogative along with the noun, I will call you, there is interrogative determiner. Interrogative determiner, yes, interrogative determiner. So are you looking about them along with the noun I use here? Book, there is a noun, which there is an introvert interrogative, so we can call which book, and what time. Along with that noun, if you are use any WH word, so we can call here there is a determiner, not interrogative. But in a sense of the interrogative, we can call interrogative determiners. Perfect. Are you understood about them? If you are understanding, so let me, I will give you a few more examples. Try to attempt them, try to solve them, and you have to clarify your data. Look at here, I have one example here. One example I am written here. Example number one under number one. I am reading the book. The book, why? Because this book is a very specific name. Just like I told to you, it can be Kumar Sambhom, Malvika Agnimitra, Vikramorsi, Ramana, Mahabharata, Bible, Quran. Anything can be for that. So we can call there is a Ramcharitamanas, है ना? We can call the book. The book is a specific, the name of a book, a specific category for a book. So we can call this one. She is my friend. Okay. So my, in the sense of that, there is a possessive case. Why? I told you here, I told you my in a sense of the possessive. So I will say to you what kind of determiner I use here. I use here the possessive case of determiner. Next one, I need some help. Okay, just like I'm told to you like that, I need some water. Same as usual here, we can also use it. Are you understanding, everyone? Are you understanding? Really? Just think over it. If you are understanding, think over it. Okay? Come to the point. Another examples. Okay? Which examples you are looking at here? Examples under, we are looking here. I need some help. This is what? Quantifiers. I'm asking about the quantity. Quantity means how many help? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is a countable. Okay? But I need the proper the helps. Helps for I need a proper in some quantity, so we can call this is the quantifiers. Okay. Next one. The dog is very friendly. So what do you mean about the very? Very is an adverb. Very is an adverb, and is auxiliary verb in the sense of the dog. The dog. There is a specific case, article based, the dog, which is your pet animal, which is your pet animal. You are given Chintu, Pintu, Tinku. I don't know about the name of them, but somebody the other saying, oh, just like that. An animal which is a pet for you, we can call there is article based determiner. Next one, her smile is beautiful, really. Possessive determiner here because I'm written here her. So we can say his, yeah, we can say her in the sense of that. So her smile, smile, this is a triformal activity of your lips, face structure. So we can call there is a her. I need some help. I'm written here. One more example related of the sum. This is also called the quantifiers. So dear students, I hope you are understanding for all examples. If you're not, I will request you all, please revise once more time. Definitely will understand to them. Next one, next more example. This phone is expensive. This is a demonstrative determinants because I told you in the sense of the demonstrative, I will use here this, that, these and those. So these are the four terms which we have to use them in a sense of the demonstrative determinants along with the noun. Okay dear, I hope you are understood about them. So let me start to recap of them. Okay, revise. Number one, I told you about article, use of a and the. Second things, I told you about the possessive determinants under. I discussed to you my, your, his, is a, her, your and our. Next one, the quantifiers, which will tell to you the quantity about that. I will say to you many, few, some and a few, the few also, a little, the little also. Next one, demonstrative in the sense of that I told you this book, this car and those shoes. Interrogative determiners most relevant, don't forget about it. Number one, we can call which book and what time. Okay, are you understanding the sense of that? Next one, which I told you example here, the book under in the sense of specific. I told you my friend in the sense of the possessive. I need some help in a form of the quantifiers because I told you the sum. Next one, the dog is very friendly, article based very example. Her smile in the sense of the possessive, I told to you. Next, I need some help in the sense of that I use here her. Some we can call this is the quantifiers. This phone I said to you, this is the phone is a noun. Along that I use here demonstrative, this, that and these, those we can call there is a determinants. Understood? Any problem? Any problem? Okay, if you have not any problem, try to attempt the questions, a recognition multiple type of the questions. So dear students, if you are understanding about them very well, please you have to comment in the comment box how was my session, how I taught to you, it was beneficial for you or not. Dear students, I will say to you in the recommendation of that next in the class I am going to consult with your some error over sentences. In there I will start you to teach to you subject verb concord. In those expectation of the answers of the students, they are the written something more about that. Sir, I have a need proper the practice of subject verb concord. I will teach to you more about them. Please, you can continue along with me. I will definitely support you for a recognition of your error in your sentences. Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself. But please revise and like it.